guys, welcome back to another video, and today I was planning on doing a vlog today, but some technical difficulties occurred and things got a little canceled. Here's why. Do you see all those leaves and those raindrops? Look at that branch over there. That branch fell. That's how hard it was windy. I can't English today. Sorry. But that's how hard it was raining today. And it was really windy, and yeah, I just didn't record. But I'm sorry. I discovered my cars from when I was like 3 and 4. I was like 4 or 5, and I'm fine, but it was just a disaster. I had like 80 cars to remove cars. I was so obsessed with it. But yeah, I'm having thoughts about changing my channel name. Suggest what you want it to be. I don't know if I'm going to change it or not. But if I see some good suggestions... I can't English today, I'm sorry. But if I see some good suggestions down below, I will hopefully get onto that and do that. But yeah. Butterfly. This is what happened today. I'm barefoot right now. It's not terrible. I mean, it really rained. Oh yeah. So, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. And a lot of times in the videos I have... Is that thunder? Thanks. I don't think that's thunder because that is... No, that's flying. Yeah, I thought it was thunder because it was like... Yeah, I was like, there's no way that's thunder. Thunder doesn't go on that long. But yeah, I hope you guys... I hope you guys have a good day, and I guess I'll see you later. Goodbye!